is when you look at the additional costs of what it takes to run a business, some that are unified, if you're looking at the potential of getting access to, for certain businesses, to check your employees, thermometers, or hand sanitizers, or others. There may be ways that the state will be able to provide any assistance in that. In closing, well, thank you again, and as I think I've said every time, I know that this has been, is and has been a real challenge for all Montanans. And it has, as we've seen Montanans hospitalized and die from this virus. It has, as we've had to learn new words like social distancing and recognizing that when we go to a grocery store that all of a sudden it's one-way lanes. And I mean, this has really changed so much of how we as Montanans live our life. And I thank Montanans for their willingness and ability to do that, because that's what has put us in a position so much better than so many of the states around this country. I urge and encourage patience. We do want to get things back up and running to what a new normal might look at as soon as possible. But we also want to do it consistent with public health dictates so we don't step back. I encourage hope, meaning that, and I say that both as a governor and as a parent, we all have to have hope that in some ways we'll become stronger as a result of all of this, and be ready to not just get our economy running again, but our communities running again. And I encourage understanding. Montana's been hit hard by this. Each and every one of us has. And let's take the approach, the measured approach going forward, where we're together, just like we're together in trying to stop the spread of this virus. We'll be together in trying to do everything we can to keep it contained as we start to reopen things. So appreciate it, and I'm sure I'll be with you sometime next week, as I've tried to do a couple times a week. Thanks.